The Kefi Bistro and Cafe is like the perfect date night kind of a place. Located in a beautiful villa in Assagao, the Kefi Bistro is like your own next door homely cafe kind of a vibe. And if the lights of a place matter to you, you will absolutely love this place. They serve some authentic Lebanese food and coffee. And you can always ask them the specials of the day because every day they have some or the other new dessert or something new to try. The villa itself feels like you've entered someone's living room, and that adds so much character to the place. There's just so much happening that gives the place a very homely vibe. Kefi is like the small boutique cafe where you'll find more locals than tourists. So I guess it's more our kind of place for an early dinner date, some sweet conversations, and brilliant food. These places, I think all of them feel like home now. It's a good start to a new chapter. Let's see where it goes.